Alright guys, welcome to Going Guitar. This is me, your host, playing for you guys, and I'm playing Rilès song called Stay Clean. Stay Clean, it's a nice song, fits guitar obviously very well. We're gonna work with mainly 4 chords, 5 because of the intro. Yeah, enough of chit chat, let's go into it. We have a setup here with capo on third, absolute best scenario for us. Let's go over the chords. And in the intro, you will play the D minor if you want to have that with you. We're gonna start with that chord first. We have open D, second G, third B, and first E. And now let's go into the 4 main chords. It's the A minor. You play open A, second D, second G, first B, open E. We have G next. That is third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Of course, we need a bar chord. This is the F. You play the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. And finally, we have the E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so let's learn the strumming pattern. We're going to start with the first chord, A minor. That is what starts the song. And one round goes like this. Okay, it sounds a lot, but you actually have that pretty easy. You're going to play downs and ups, and you're going to play on the bass string, you're going to play the downs, and on the top strings, you're going to play the ups. Okay, so on the bass strings, and on the ups, top strings. Okay, so what you're gonna play here is 2 times on bass strings or downs, and then 2 times on up on the higher strings. So you play that for 2 times. So down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. And then you end with down, up, and that you can play just wherever you want in the mid area or so. It's up to you, that last down, up, but the first down, down, up, down, up, it's nice if you can separate the bass from the top string. So slowly, again, one round goes like this. And a couple of rounds, standard tempo. Okay, now I mentioned we have a D minor in the intro. You're going to play 2 rounds of the following chord progression: A minor 1, G1, D minor 1, and E minor 1. So I'm going to play 1 round for you with that intro D minor. It goes like this. And then you play it for a second round, and that is the intro. From there on, you're gonna play now just the main pattern, which is A minor 1, G1, F1, and E minor 1. Let's go pull a couple rounds of that. A minor, G, F, and E minor. Okay guys, I promise you will get that in your blood, this strumming pattern. Don't shy away from it. Give it a shot, and that is how I handle a Rilès song called Stay Clean. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Appreciate that a lot. Till next time, play tuned.